Welcome to the BereBlessed Halloween special. What is that? Uh-oh. Hi guys!
Welcome to BereBlessed!
Today we're gonna do a Halloween special and we have this special toy. Oh my god! That was bought by their grandfather, their papa.
You too!
Yeah, and they're gonna show it to you. They're all gonna share their LED toys for their Halloween gifts.
Hi guys! Welcome to our Halloween special from BereBlessed. We are here with our LED toys that we bought, but our grandfather bought us and Papa bought us. These are LED toys. We used them earlier in the video for our ghost prank for all of you guys. So
Talk about yours, Ate.
mine is a Snow White LED. It changes into a lot of colors, and her dress you can't really see in the dark, but it's purple.
Okay. How about you, Elijah? What's yours?
Mine is a pony. It can change to a lot of colors, as you see. So mine is a pony. So it has magic from its horn.
Oh. How about you, Jakey?
And it's also made out of pretend gems.
Uh-huh.
Because
You, Jakey?
Mickey Mouse has short.
You see it also change color, Jakes?
Yeah. It also turns out.
Ryan, baby.
What's yours? Show them. Show them, Ryan. Show
Ryan,
them.
what did you get?
I have a bear with a guitar, just like Coco. I mean Miguel.
Oops. And he threw it away. Now it's already on the floor. So,
I'm gonna go
uh-oh. The true monsters.
happening.
What's happening?
It's a Halloween special, remember? Something is happening. There's a ghost. It's taking us. Escape! Escape!
Escape! Faster! Ryan, your tongue is very claro.
Okay, you guys, we just found a real ghost in there.
You found a little ghost?
Just kidding!
There's a real ghost.
Hi guys, I'm BereBlessed Ate. I'm gonna review a toy that I got from my big grandma. I'm gonna reveal to you her head because it's stuck on the back. It's Belle. I got her when it was my birthday. She is so cute. Her hair is very smooth, but it won't get wet, so I'm not gonna bring her to the pool. And her dress, I just kind of like cut this because it was useless when it was like this. I didn't like it, so I just made it into a cute ballerina dress. Her eyes are green,
Okay.
and her shoes, I mostly put them in my homemade closet, which I can do a review about it
In the future.
in the future. I have this bat that I made myself. I put it on her head because I didn't want you guys to know. And since it's Halloween, I just put this back. But it's gonna be broken because her eyes got lost.
Why do you like the Belle Barbie?
Because she's really flexible and she has real hair that I can brush, which is awesome. Which I'm brushing it right now. And she has a ponytail like me.
How do you play with it?
You let her walk or sit down, and she can also eat something that I've my favorite toy. Right here. I'm just gonna give you like one little example. Okay. Okay. Okay guys, ready to see? You know what this is. All of you girls always want this. If you're a collector of napkins. I love this one. This is from season 1, Apple Blossom. And this is what she eats. She eats healthy. But sometimes she eats cake and pancakes or waffles for breakfast. If you guys want to have fun, just check out our channel and like of this video. Because the next one here is my brother. Bye! Welcome back. It's me, BereBlessed Kuya. So welcome back to the Halloween special. So the first alien is upgrade because Ben10's real first alien was Heat Blast. But I don't have Heat Blast. But this is upgrade. He can upgrade into anything.
Wow.
Because if he upgrades on it, then he can control it without no one driving.
Wow. Then the next one.
They can just relax. This is Diamond Head, Ben10's next alien. So since he's Diamond Head, so he can turn stuff into diamond. But if someone has a sword, then it can cut him. Because one time he said, I crack, Diamond Head doesn't crack. Next, so this is my last alien from Ben10. So this is 4 arms. It's called 4 arms because he has 4 arms. And it's also called 4 arms because he has 4 eyes. Yeah, so since he's like that, anyone who throws him rocks at, he can just punch it and break it.
Wow. Why do you like playing with this guy?
Yeah, because it's one of the Ben10s. I use it to help the Avengers to kill Thanos.
You use it like an Avenger toy?
No, I let all my action figure superheroes help the Avengers to beat the ultimate bad guy, Thanos. So he's bad guys. So Ben10's bad guys are Hex, and the Clock guys. So and Jock. Bye guys. It's Jakey's turn. Hi guys. I like plants because what's
that you have?
I have a giraffe.
No, what are these called? These are Lego blocks. What do you like forming using the Lego blocks?
Because they can stick.
So what do you like to form?
I like to form like this.
Buildings,
Yeah.
spaceship. Do you like that?
Yeah. I also like having spaceship. Also animals. This is like a shooting plant. I don't know yet.
Anyway, can you say goodbye to everybody?
Why?
Oh, you're not done yet?
Yeah.
Okay, then talk about your toy.
Because I like Lego.
Why do you like Lego?
Because I like building Lego like Plants vs. Zombies.
Oh, you have a guest, Jakey. Say hi to your guest.
Hi, Ryan. Come on.
Ryan, do you want to help Jakey build something? Oh, he's standing up.
The giant
He's going to eat it.
dinosaur! Mom, that is going to eat it. Giant dinosaur.
Okay, Jakey, you're done?
No, because I like building like Plants vs. Zombies.
Okay.
Because I like building a dog, like plants, like 2 plants. I'm done that.
Okay, say goodbye to everybody. Say goodbye to everybody.
Bye!
Ito na.
Hi Ryan, what are you doing? You're playing with your dinosaurs?
Yeah.
You like dinosaurs?
Oh.
How about chocolate? Do you like chocolate? You like ice cream? Do you like ice cream?
Do you like lollipops?
Nuh-uh.
Do you like spaghetti? Do you like toys? Do you like driving a car? Do you like driving? Baby, show everybody how to drive car, baby. Driving in my car, no. And you also like eating blocks. See, he knows how to.
No.
Okay.
Bye, bye.
Guys, always remember, no matter how hard life is, you are
Very